Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to go over this truck that we just wrapped up. It's a 2022 Kenworth roll-off truck. And we added a full system to this vehicle. Speakers, amplifier, new radio, subwoofer, along with a ton of lighting. So what we did was orange LEDs in the grille and the factory hood vents. We did, as you can see, amber strobe lights in the grille, amber strobe lights on the side. We installed rigid LED cube lights to light up the ground for some accent lighting. We did white LEDs off the side, which are tied into the factory LEDs that light the can up. So now if you're parking at night, you can kind of see the back corner of the vehicle, or if you're just working and need light. And then we did amber strobe lights in the rear and sides of the vehicle. And we also added reverse lights down here in the back, white LEDs, so when you kick the vehicle in reverse, it lights up the camera better. A ton of work. Vehicle came out absolutely awesome. So if anybody needs anything, please give us a call, 610-328-0301. All right, thank you guys.